Hello students, in this video we will find the Laplace transform of this given waveform. This waveform is defined for duration 0 to 2 as a 2t square and for duration 2 to 4 as 2 4 minus t whole square. So to find this we will apply the Laplace transfer formula for both the functions separately. For first function, the limit is 0 to 2. Integrate this function 2t square e to the power minus st factor will be multiplied and integrate with respect to t. For the second Laplace transform or second function, do the same thing. 2 to 4 is the limit. 2 4 minus t whole square is the function. Multiply it with e to the power minus st and integrate it with respect to t. Okay. And after finding these two functions, we will add them to get the fs. So here apply the integration by parts. First function, then integration of this second function, then again integration, differentiation of first function and integration of this second function and then integrate it again. Now we can write it like this: 2t square e to the power minus st by minus s. This is our first function, and differentiate this and integrate this. That will give you the next term. Put a minus sign and a bracket. Differentiate this 4t and integrate this. That is minus s was already there. Another minus s, that is plus s square. So this will become our second term. For the third term, put a plus sign, differentiate this and integrate this term. This is 4 and this is e to the power minus st by minus s cube. So this is our last term, because while we differentiate this 4, it will become 0 now. So these three terms are there. Now check the signs. This is minus, so we can remove this bracket. No minus is inside. This is minus, so this will make this plus sign as a minus. Now put the limit. This is also minus. This term is also minus. Now put the limit 0 to 2. First we will put this upper limit, then lower limit. So this is minus 8 by s e to the power minus 2s. Put t is equals to 2 in every term. This is 8 by s square e to the power minus 2s. Third term 4 by s cube e to the power minus 2s. Now put this 0 in these terms. Put a minus sign and put 0 in place of t. This will become 0. This will again become 0, and this term is this, and e to the power 0 will become 1. So here we got 4 terms. Change the sign here, minus, and this will become plus. Okay. So these are the 4 terms we got for this first function. Now we come to the second function, Laplace transform of second function. This function is again treated as first function, and this is second function for the integration by parts. This function will come as it is 2 4 minus t whole square and integration of this will become this one. Then minus integration, differentiation of this function, that is 4 minus t, and minus sign because of this coefficient. Again integration of this divided by this. This will come while we write the integration by parts rule. Now I suggest you to continue with this rule. This function will come as it is. Okay. Now put a minus sign, differentiate this term and integrate this term to get the next, differentiate this part, integrate this part to get the next term. So differentiation will give minus 4 minus t, integration of this will give e to the power minus st s square. This is our second term. Now for the third term, put a plus sign and differentiate this. This is nothing but minus 16 plus 4t. Its differentiation will give us 4. So plus 4 e to the power minus st divided by minus s cube will become our last term. No further differentiation is possible for this 4. So this is our last term. Now for the sign, this term will become minus because of this minus s. This term will become again plus, and remove this bracket because of this inside minus. This term will become minus because of this minus s cube. Now correct the sign and then apply the limits. So this is our function. I'll write it. The limits, and limits are 2 to 4. First we will write upper limit, that will make this function 0. This function will also become 0. So third function, that is minus 4 by s cube e to the power minus 4s. Then we will write lower limit with a minus sign. Put 2 here, that is minus 8 by s e to the power minus 2s. Put 2 here, that is plus 8 by s square e to the power minus 2s. Put 2 here also, that is 4 by s cube e to the power minus 2s. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 terms here again. Now open this bracket. Minus 4 by s cube e to the power minus 4s. This will become plus 8 by s e to the power minus 2s plus minus 8 by s square e to the power minus 2s minus plus 4 by s is cube e to the power minus 2s. Now check the terms, they are cancelled. This 8 by s will be cancelled because plus and minus sign. This will remain as it is. This will be cancelled s cube by this 4 by s cube, this term. Okay. Only these terms are left, so write down them. This is first term. So for fs, which is summation of f1s and f2s, this is first term, that is 4 by s cube. This is second term, which is a negative sign, having negative sign, 4 by s cube e to the power minus 4s, and the third term is 8 by s square, and 8 by s square, that is minus 16 by s square e to the power minus 2s. So this is Laplace transform of this given functions.